In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate the address auto-completion feature in the Shopify's one-page checkout. As you can see in this example, this feature displays a list of suggested addresses as customers typed in the address field during the checkout process. And in this tutorial, I'll show you where to find the settings so you can easily deactivate this feature. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select Settings and then click on Checkout. Then at the very top under the configurations, look for your checkout configuration and then select Customize. Then on the left-hand side, look for the settings and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And here's the address auto-completion feature. As you can see, in my case, it's currently enabled. In order to deactivate it, simply uncheck Use Address Auto-completion and then save the changes. Once the settings are saved, allow about a minute or two for the changes to update, and then go back to checkout and try refreshing it. Now locate the address field and try typing a new address. 15 York Street as an example. And as you can see, the address auto-completion feature is no longer active. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.